In this video, I'm going to talk to you how we can leverage Copilot and Excel for an audit. So in this example, we have SIRE PDF and we have a checklist in Excel. So I'll quickly show you the Excel checklist also. And this is the Excel checklist where we have the vessel master, we have incidents, and we have the audit checklist. Now, what we need to do is we need to check the SIRE PDF and look at findings, and according to that, make a table. So we go into Copilot. For this example specifically, I am leveraging Copilot, the basic version, which means it's not a premium license. Any person who's using Office 365 has access to the basic license of Copilot. So the prompt goes as we have attached the two files, the two SIRE, as well as we have attached the Excel spreadsheet. And under the prompt, we are basically looking at the different modules. And we have clearly mentioned there are no assumptions. And on the basis of that, we want to look at matches. The output which is being created is once again, this is the output which we have got, where it goes into the PDF file, looks at the SIRE, and also gives us the observation. Now, this could be one of the applications where you can leverage Copilot for audit purposes. That doesn't mean that the entire checklist will be created by Copilot. Obviously, manual intervention will be required, but it could definitely speed up the entire audit processes. If you have any queries or any questions about how this is done, or if you would be interested to let us know, we would surely look forward to connecting on this.